Hello, this is Gautam from Bangalore. Today I'm going to be talking about my final project of CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. The various libraries that I've used are the Google API Client.Discovery, Flask, Humanize, and finally Sys. Here, what the Google API client.discovery.build this function does is that it creates a client instance for making requests to the YouTube data API, which is the API that is being used to get the required information. The creation of YouTube links uh, function takes a search query as input and returns the list of video IDs, and the finding views of which getting thumbnail and getting name and logo take the video id as input and return the number of views, the thumbnail url, and the channel id. Then what making dict sorted on views, getting list of thumbnail links and list of url, they use the information obtained from these three functions and make a list or a dictionary of the functions. Then finally, to after all the information is obtained, we using Flask, we create a HTML document. And as you can see, we call all the functions over here and then pass it to the HTML document to run. And this is the HTML document which contains the code for the website. So now let's run the program. The program is loading, and as you can see here, these are the top 5 videos that are suggested by the YouTube algorithm, and they are sorted based on the number of views they have. And as you can see, while running the program over here, we have entered CS50 right here. So depending on what you enter, the videos will be related to that. Thank you.